Hey guys, today I will show you how to make WhatsApp link from number like this, and this is very useful for business purposes. So let's get into the tutorial. First you have to go to this website that I'm typing on. Click on this. Click on create a free WhatsApp link. Give the number there that you want to convert from number to link. Now here you can type a short message for your customers, for your business, or you can type whatever you want. It is optional, so I'm just writing a short message. Okay, now click on generate my WhatsApp link. Okay, you can see our WhatsApp link generated, so let's test it out. Okay, I'm clicking on the link. Yes, you can see it's working perfectly. If you click now on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, then you will go to the WhatsApp app. So I'm not doing it right now for my privacy or other reasons. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.